She is eating. He is running. She is jumping. He is swimming. He is climbing. She is walking. They are talking. She is drinking. She is sleeping. She is reading a book. She is writing. She is cooking. She is baking. She is drawing. She is painting. She is dancing. He is singing. He is playing a football. They are laughing. She is crying. She is shouting. They are whispering. He is kicking him. He is throwing a ball. They are catching a ball. He is lifting weight. He is pushing table. The man is pulling ice. The man is carrying box. She is opening the door. He is closing the door. He is breaking the glass. He is fixing the nail. He is cutting the tree. They are building a house. He is destroying the wall. He is riding a bicycle. He is driving a car. Bird is flying. She is skipping. Snake is bending. They are stretching. The rope is twisting. The girl is turning around. She is spinning like a fan. Toy is shaking. She is waving flag. I am smiling. He is punching. He is digging. I am chopping cucumber. She is sewing clothes. She is knitting. She is washing her hands. He is ironing the clothes. She is sweeping. I am mopping. She is vacuuming. She is cleaning the floor. She is dusting the wall. I am organizing my things. I am arranging my plates. I am decorating the tree. I am measuring the length. I am pouring coffee in the cup. I am mixing the food. He is stirring. I am folding paper. He is flipping. I am tossing a coin. He is grilling chicken. I am frying eggs. Water is boiling. I am peeling banana. I am grating cheese. I am slicing lemon. I am squeezing lemon. I am mashing potatoes. Hen is beating dog. She is kneading dough. I am rolling bread. He is pinching her cheeks. He is smelling food. He is touching button. I am hearing voice. He is listening music. He is watching TV. She is holding a pen. He is grabbing an apple. Thanks for watching.